श्री सिद्धिसुरीश्वर सद्गुरुभ्यो नमः। ॐ श्री सिद्धिसुरीश्वर सद्गुरुभ्यो नमः। ॐ श्री सिद्धिसुरीश्वर सद्गुरुभ्यो नमः।
Pranam. There have been innumerable miraculous experiences of the energy that we know of as Babji Dada. For some, Dada has been a part of their lives since the time they took their first breath on this planet, while for some others, their lives are divided into two separate halves. A life that they lived before Dada and a fuller, more blissful life after they connected with Babji. Just like one tiny flame can bring light to the whole city, the magical experience of one person can light up the life of several others. With an intention to share such experiences so that Babji's light can reach as many souls as possible, we have started this series called Babji, the divinity that lives on. In this series, we shall share with you some miraculous experiences of Dada. No names shall be revealed in the episodes. However, every story is nothing but the complete truth experienced by that person or family. We hope that through this series, we can reach more and more people and help them connect with the divine grace of Dada. The first story is about a newborn girl. On the 6th day after her birth, this beautiful small girl was taken to the doctor for regular vaccination. As the doctor monitored her, he felt an irregular heartbeat and advised that she should be admitted to the hospital immediately. The family members followed the advice, and after several reports, they were told that the baby girl had 2 holes in her heart and her life was in danger. The family was told that to save the girl, an open heart surgery had to be done. But an open heart surgery on a 6-day-old girl could prove to be extremely dangerous. No such surgeries had ever been done before on an infant younger than 2 months old in India. And this girl was only 6 days old. After taking the opinion of several renowned doctors, in the end, the family decided to go ahead with the surgery. By this time, the girl had already been in the hospital for 6 days. The 13-day-old girl was soon admitted into the ICU, and the baby girl was kept in the ICU for 23 days before her surgery. To make the matters worse, the COVID-19 pandemic had taken over the world, and the family had to exhaust all their resources to get the best medical supply for their girl. The day before the surgery, the doctor called the family and explained the entire situation to them. He said there was an imminent danger in undertaking the surgery. However, he would want to take the chance and go ahead with it. If not for the surgery, there was no possibility that the baby girl would survive. The family had no option but to give their consent for a surgery that could probably take away the life of their daughter. But there was one hope. One of the family members of this baby girl firmly believed in the miraculous energy of Sri Siddhi Surishwarji Maharaj Sahib. She encouraged the other members to put their faith in Babji and pray to him with complete devotion. The family agreed, and in one of the hospital rooms, they set up a huge photograph of Dada and started chanting his name. Dada was their only hope. They completely surrendered to him. On one hand, there was an open heart surgery going on, and on the other hand, the family was chanting Dada's name constantly. After a long surgery, the doctor stepped out of the OT with a smile on his face and told the family that the surgery had been a success. By the next day, the baby girl was completely out of danger. When this story was shared, the baby girl was already 4 months old and living an absolutely normal life. The immense grace of Dada not only saved her, but turned her life around so much that she does not even have to take any heart medicines at present. Such is the grace of Bapji. What can be more substantiating of Dada's presence and grace in our lives than the happy, healthy life of this little girl for whom there was zero chances of survival? All these luxuries, all of this opulence means nothing without you. All I seek is your love in abundance. Here I am, completely surrendered to you. Om Shri Siddhi Sureshwarji Sadgurubhyo Namaha.